I'd be looking nana. Mm.
Are you floating?
Yeah.
You floating in the top? You got bubbles around your ears. That's right. You're so pretty.
Mm.
Hi, girly.
Mm. This is so good, huh?
You're just a little bathing doll. Little doll baby. Yes, you are. See the privacy napkin, washcloth? Oops, it's slipping. We'll go back up this way. In case we don't want to catch you. Since you're so beautiful, we'd have to not be able to show it. Yeah. Little pretty girl.
Feels so good. It does feel so good. Get it back, right?
What a pretty little girl. Yes, you are. Oh, raising your head up, huh? Wow. Ooh.
That water. Get it. Baby toes in.
Baby's head is out of the water. My goodness.
Ooh, swimmies.
Yeah, my goodness
You gonna
sakes.
smile? Smiley?
You can smile.
Smiley girl.
Smiling and singing. Well, my camera, I have to quit because it won't pass. There.